business legal malpractice cases. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns, and along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of legal malpractice here in Massachusetts. And I've been here in this building at 6 Beacon Street since 1987. And along with my partner, we have been representing victims of legal malpractice for many, many, many years. So what is a business malpractice case? And the first thing a business person is going to say is, this guy doesn't understand my business. It's complicated. It's involved. There's a history here. And he or she is right. We don't understand your business necessarily, but we will get an expert for that. We can understand what went happen with respect to your lawyer. And sometimes that's pretty simple. Sometimes it's complicated, but sometimes it's pretty simple. Did your lawyer commit malpractice? Was there a duty? Was the lawyer representing your business? So in one phone call, the lawyer gives some advice, no retainer, no real agreement. That's really not a attorney-client relationship. Number two, did the lawyer have a duty? Who were they representing? Sometimes they're representing the business, the corporation. Sometimes they're representing an officer of the corporation. And sometimes, and this happens more often than not, there may be a conflict of interest. A lot of these attorneys think that they can represent sort of both sides of the same coin, the officer and the corporation, or the beneficiary of the company and the board, and there can be a conflict of interest, and we've had many of those types of cases. And if they breach their duty, are there damages? It could be they breached their duty and they were very bad. It could be they did something public that was bad. It could be they did something that really hurt the company, but we have to have measurable damages. So if there's not a dollar denominated way of measuring the damages, doesn't mean we all have to agree on it, but we certainly have to be able to explain to the other side, the judge, the jury, the insurance company representing the attorney, what the damages were because of this breach of duty by your business attorney. If we have all that and we can collecting against a bankrupt company, if that's the only defendant, may not be worth it. That is a bankrupt lawyer. And your lawyer, if he or she was representing you and the company that was on the other side of the deal went bankrupt, and even if they had been brilliant and won, you couldn't have gotten anything, it's not collectible. So there's lots of elements of legal malpractice that are not business related, but that are in the law of legal malpractice. If you've been a victim, or if you think you've been a victim of legal malpractice in the business context, give us a call. We have lots of experience. We litigate these cases. We do it every day, and we will help you. We want to help you. And it's a free initial consultation, so give us a call. Give us a try. Burns & Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.